Okay, so here's a quick demonstration of the issues I'm having with the deadbolt. So the door is open, as you can see, and we'll just do the quick test with the, with this piece of it. And so there's really no problem with the deadbolt coming in and out. You can see the plate here. There's no interference with the deadbolt. And when I try with the interior handle, it also seems to work well and consistently. Deadbolt comes out and sufficiently retracts, and that's consistent. So the issue is when I use the outside handle. And so I don't know if you can see, on a couple of occasions, it doesn't retract fully. As I mentioned in my email, it stays out about 1/4 of an inch, and you can see again it's the same thing. And sometimes it's a bit worse than that. That time was a pretty good full retraction. Here it is again, and this is a little bit more, right? So that's a little bit more than 1/4 of an inch. And so what happens is, someone puts in the code or they swipe the key and they go to retract the lock and it sticks out enough where you can't open the door. So that's where my trouble lies. And so I'm just not quite understanding it. If this piece of it works well and the interior handle seems to work well, I'm really at a loss as to why we're just getting these inconsistent results with the exterior handle. And again, just for what it's worth repeating, I had this professionally installed. I had a locksmith do it. I guess that doesn't necessarily tell the whole story, but I'm kind of hard-pressed to see what the problem is. If you can help, would really appreciate it. Thanks.